Welcome to Dare to Disney. Today we're going to do a quick DIY on how to add a little Disney into your home this spring. Let's get started. For this project, you will need hot glue or any glue of your choice, pliers, scissors, I didn't use floral wire, a wreath, a red bow, a small bird, and of course, some flowers. I got all these flowers from the dollar store. Alright, to start off, I took my bouquet of flowers and trimmed the tops of all the flowers, leaving a little bit of the stem so it'd be easier to stick in. I went ahead and glued the yellow flowers along the bottom half of the wreath to be just like Snow White's dress. I also went ahead and took some of the leaves from the bouquet as well to sprinkle in to add a little green to the wreath. I'm just going to take those blue flowers and glue them to the rest of the wreath. For Snow White's bow, I just went ahead and took an old hair bow that I had and put some hot glue along the clip and then just pressed it right on top of the flowers. Then I'm taking this little bluebird that we got from Michael's. You can also get them at Hobby Lobby, and as well I've seen a few at the dollar store. Then I'm just taking some hot glue and putting it on one side and then taking the bird and just placing it right on top of those flowers. Next I'm taking these little apples that we got from Hobby Lobby and getting a feel where I want them to go, and then I went ahead and just put some hot glue and put them right down on top of those flowers as well. There you have your beautiful Snow White wreath to hang on your door this spring.